ACT has long been committed to embracing a holistic approach to measuring student learning and growth and is pleased to introduce a new evidence-based social and emotional learning assessment system, ACT Tessera. In addition to school climate, Tessera measures 5 social and emotional skills: grit, teamwork, resilience, leadership, and curiosity. While most other assessment systems rely on laborious reporting by teachers or only on self-reports, ACT Tessera uses innovative methodologies that require students to reflect upon challenging scenarios familiar to them and evaluate various options. ACT Tessera also utilizes forced choice, requiring students to more deeply consider their own strengths and opportunities for improvement. Students can complete the assessment online on a variety of devices. Educators are provided data they can use in a variety of formats and for a variety of purposes. Unlike other systems, ACT Tessera provides individual student reporting. This allows teachers and counselors to get to know their students better, differentiating teaching strategies for improved learning. Individual reports are provided for students and their families filled with useful feedback that helps them understand their strengths and opportunities for improvement and allows them to set goals to develop important skills. School reports give educational leaders insights into planning professional development, highlighting school successes, prioritizing initiatives, and monitoring progress. ACT Tessera is more than an assessment, it's a complete solution. ACT experts guide educators in the interpretation of their results and help them tailor planning based on their data. Educators at every level will benefit from the ACT Tessera Teacher Playbook, providing dozens of evidence-based and teacher-tested lesson plans and activities designed to bolster student social and emotional skills. Recognizing the need for a social-emotional learning solution, ACT has assembled leading scientists from around the world to develop the ACT Tessera system and is partnering with award-winning educators to support schools in their social and emotional learning programs. ACT Tessera represents a very significant initiative to support student success throughout their K-12 educational experience. For more information, please visit www.act.org/contact us.